The journey begins at the source, cotton farms. Cotton is grown, harvested, and collected from the fields using mechanical harvesters or manual methods. Once gathered, the raw cotton is compressed into large bales or packed into bags, making it easier to transport to textile processing facilities. At the factory, these compressed cotton bales are opened and fed into large machines. The cotton is cleaned to remove dirt, seeds, and impurities. From here, the fibers go through a process called carding, where they are combed and aligned into soft, uniform strands. Next comes spinning. The aligned cotton fibers are stretched and twisted into yarn. This twisting process gives the fibers strength, transforming them from soft, loose material into durable threads that can be used for fabric production. These threads are then woven or knitted together using large industrial machines. Interlacing the threads creates fabric. Once the fabric is ready, it moves into the cutting stage. Large rolls of fabric are spread out across cutting tables, and precision machines cut them into specific shapes. These pieces form different parts of the bra, such as the cups, straps, side bands, and lining. Additional components are also prepared at this stage. Elastic bands are measured and cut, foam padding is shaped for comfort, and thin metal underwires are formed to provide structural support. Each component plays a specific role in the final product. The process then moves into assembly. Workers and machines begin stitching the cut fabric pieces together. The bra cups are formed first, followed by the attachment of straps and side bands. Elastic materials are carefully sewn to allow flexibility while maintaining strength. Underwires are inserted into specially stitched channels beneath the cups, giving the bra its supportive structure. The back closure system, made up of hooks and eyes, is then attached to the ends of the band, allowing the bra to be fastened and adjusted when worn. As the structure comes together, lace and decorative elements may be added to enhance appearance, combining function with style. Next is shaping and finishing. The bra cups are placed into heated molding machines, which press them into smooth, curved forms. This step ensures the bra maintains its shape and provides a comfortable fit. After molding, each piece goes through finishing touches. Loose threads are trimmed, labels are added, and the product is carefully inspected for quality. Workers check stitching, elasticity, and overall construction to ensure consistency and durability. The finished bras are then steamed to remove wrinkles and improve presentation. After this, they are folded neatly, maintaining the shape of the cups and straps, and placed into packaging. From a simple cotton plant in the field to a fully constructed garment, the process involves precision, engineering, and attention to detail at every step. What starts as a natural fiber ends as a carefully designed product that combines comfort, functionality, and style. Something used every day, yet made through an intricate and fascinating journey.